Crushingz! Voice of the real authentic Elsich Welsich Dan Gio presenting for the big bad mighty sound. RCP sound, and you're now in tune to Reggae meets Hip-Hop Mixtape. Crushingz! Yo, hear me as an Eddie Frass. Yo, DJ Rude Boy. You know, say from them I1 to I1 a long time for do them things in. But I line up the right time. All them jump and sound and them for no say yo, don't play run them out of the land from dusk till dawn. Real authentic Elsich Welsich Dan Gio says so. RCP song, well known and profound. Yo, hear me now, Eddie Frass. Run a rhythm now. Reggae meets hip-hop. Well, see that you find? Alright, then we'll show them how versatile, you know. Yeah. Eddie Frass, you don't know the thing said RCP sound. Yo, rude boy. Watch ya. Yo, inna the stage show, Dan Gio speak more fire than 8 stove. Man, I say fi pull up like home to cane row. Woman, I say me full up a rhyme with beer flow and I fight fi gain more. Which means, therefore, my lyrics surpass phase 1 to phase 4. With figures of speech fi light the place more. We make paparazzi climb the stage floor. Inna the stage show, me high like scarecrow, higher than skyscraper 98th floor. Brand new Rolex watch with diamond gem core. What I have in store, a lyrics. Eddie Frass, man tell the stage so you don't know what happened. Fi radio interview, contact a send. #1 performance, we not drop a 10. Now fit me fit peanut and I wish mash a blend. Fire performance can't cool me off. Half of the stage be a girl want pull me off. Hold on, my friend, you go make me drop. Hold on, no. If it's loving that you want, baby girl, please come over. Say you want a lion, you no need no paper soldier. Call Eddie on the phone and he'll be there. Call Rude Boy on the phone and he'll be there. She tell me she fed up and run the damn midget every morning and night. She link the damn digit. Right supplement fi make me pan frigid. Stamina overload me knock her out. Like the West Indies versus Iran cricket. In the cabin she spend some long visit. Fly past cloud 9 high like pitch and limit every minute. She needs my love. Oi, she still a call me DJ Cell. For the black mamba fi sink it well. A queen like you made the king prevail. X amount of love where she need. Body health in a farm a wrinkle cell. 9 months later a baby twinkle bell. She a call the phone so she can't get enough. Every day she RCP. If I loving that you want, baby girl, please come over. Say you want Eddie Frass, you no want no paper soldier. Call we on the phone and we'll be there. I swear, call RCP on the phone and we'll be there. Hear me now. Stamina preserve strong like the Mount Everest. Guineas a blend with Irish mash beverage. Long marathon, the natty will never rest. She get loving with all heap of leverage. Giovanni #1 therapist with biology, tactics and cleverness. Towards your body, I'm your inspectorate. She needs my love, you know why? Jackie on the track again. Peanut punch and Irish mash a blend. Pumpkin juice gone in a me back again. No frowns after rounds attack again. Stronger than all the days of Samson. Militant than David and Macaden. Wiser than the Motep and Solomon. Every minute she needs my love. Me lock up the DJ, she call the line instead. Me not a time fi call me bed. Oi, me a run punani red. X amount of love for where she need. She want 3 more run, me roll the weed. Cultivate up her side and plow the seed. She a call on the phone so she can't get enough. Every minute she needs my love. If it's loving that you circle it, next track. Yo, big old bad thing still Eddie Frass. You don't say yo, from the days of 70s from where I fly kite to that beer woman. Yo, me have Natalie, Renee, Stacey, Sabrina and Katrina, Latina and Sativa, love me Clarks and Mesh Marina. Anita Buck, Alisa said them want create a scene. While Lativa want me empty every juice and buy a Viva. Leshanti shift the panty makes you scream out like Arena. In the World Cup finals versus Brazil and Argentina. Vanessa and Selena said them want rock and come in. And then Kashima said she want the black mamba right between her. Every day we get a gal criminal man a real professional. From a juvenile we a real veteran. Me nah no number, me use me baby mother phone. That mean she get a set mal. Get a girl criminal man a real professional. From a juvenile we a real veteran. Me nah no number, me use my baby mother phone. That mean she get a set a mal. Eddie, you know me style. Me have 87, 90 and 20 cursing aisle. A girl from Westmoreland I say she want me blow the style. Exploding her thing like when US deploy beside. And for she love the ride. Yeah man, wicked and wild. Different style and pattern from I was a juvenile. From the days of KC me have girl from Meadowbrook, Alpha, Excel, 7, Papino, Ota, Ascot, Ota, Queens, Zed. Eddie Frass me say me and forget a girl criminal man a real professional. From a juvenile we a real veteran. Me nah no number, me use my baby mother phone. That mean she get a set a mal. Uptown and get a girl criminal man a real professional. From the day me born, Eddie Frass original. Boy, yo, when I laugh, we jump and sound, you know. Yo, in a the club, Eddie roll like a boss, puffing trees with some ragamuffin G's, offing sneeze, loving breeze, ice Rolex on my arm, left my hand coughing freeze, nothing least. You this Eddie in your face, we stuffing these dubs, woman. Swam the sound like fucking bees, leather made, mac and mouth, snake skin, sluffing sneaks. Them addicted to the swag, like a crackhead snuffing keys. Life is a gamble, we'll flush you, no bluffing peas. Eddie, play the dub, lift it up, smoking, piff it up. Troublemaker, double decker spliff, ain't big enough. Girl, you fi give it up, sun will be sipping up. Eddie Frass, you see that dub, play it there, lift it up, play the dub, lift it up, smoking, piff it up. Troublemaker, double decker spliff, ain't big enough. Girl, you fi give it up, sun will be sipping up. RCP, you see rude boy, in wear leather suit, tuxes like Salvatore Cardinila. Cheddar pack up and stack up like can, when they saw the Nina. Cushion brain, release the pain, man I fi use muffin reliever. Crush it, roll it, light it, puff it. Smoke weed, proceed, fi stay clean. Chuck fit my Ray-Bans, Lacosta straight jeans. She born December, still she want to be the main queen. Make her toast, rise the cover, see a seat. Alright, play the dub, lift it up, smoking, piff it up. Troublemaker, double decker spliff, ain't big enough. Girl, you fi give it up, stand will be sipping up. Eddie Frass, you see that dub, play it there, lift it up, play the dub, lift it up, smoking, piff it up. Troublemaker, double decker spliff, ain't big enough. Girl, you fi give it up, stand will be sipping up. RCP. Yo, Eddie Frass. Rude boy, where you find that strain of herbs, man? That one out. Adi. So what is the purple indica? My skin catch a fire for a slim pick a purple. This gun boost me adrenaline, brother. Me fly high like wing feather. Category 5 hurricane wing weather. Me don't tell you, no tobacco to me spliff. Ganja spliff chalice. I like the bud from the sativa. Right the reefer pie. Increase my height. See highest when me reach one night. Over 90 degrees me glider from a country and a piece of pipe. Hot up the fire fi see me ignite. Fi puff cannabis yet it is my choice. Me eye redder than Santa, redder than blood and the break off a beam of light. Up and a puff and the ganja up at Sri Lanka until me hypnotized. Can't believe my eyes will be so nice and split longer than Peter Piper nose. Higher than Jesus Christ, a purple leaf a fly when my wife a rose. So the face of cannabis a fly, me frosty me chuck in the scheme a dive. Never them asking if he's a right, me paranoid from the sativa pie. Blueberry this so easy type. Open my mind with unique advice, it's simple the people's choice. It's simple, the ganja raise my energy. Frequencies, that's a line into my mind. Peace I find when I rhyme, it's my energy. Frequency, that cannabis, yeah, it's a fire, yeah. Yes, I'm aligned with the birds. Frequency, angelic herbs. Yes, meditation works. Yes, it's my energy. RCP. Look in my face so you see in my mind. And all of the chakras are several line. All of the elements, fire, wind, water, and earth. And a frequency you can find. Chant the match by pushing it further. About energy, I know getting murder. Meditating while I'm elevating by the fire while I give praises to Durga. Meditation we're living. Clearing my premises from all the negative nemesis. Less than a minute, enemies getting diminished. One receiver is in it. 528 hertz. Angel frequency that's where I glide. To simulate and keep my chakras alive. Free your mind so I can speak with God. Judge on my chakra like I am Sakura, Naruto, Obito, Itachi, Madara. Meditating by the ganja is natural. Timon and Pumba, Akuna Matata, and Patabanda, Bada Bobby, my brother. Balance up a chakra, mente bilateral. Get me the guides, fanatical, and it's your mind, etc. I'm telling you, it's so incredible. The ashes are edible. No, I see chemical, natural medicine. It make you mentally flexible, high on the pinnacle. 528 hertz. Angel frequency, that's where I glide to free up. I keep my chakras alive. Simulate mama, so it's my energy. Frequencies, that's a line into my mind. Peace I find, RCP. It's the energy, frequency. Yeah! Vice of the one named Dan Gio, real authentical stitch well stitch. Representing in the RCP, we're not done yet, you know. We're not done yet. Alright then, man a rasta real lion. I want tougher than concrete steel lion. Tell them watch out them what can't talk in them man. Couple well strapped down in the beam of van. On fire we jump like a steam dragon. Babylon one trick and put in a plan. We more skillful than Rivaldo, Ronaldo, Zidane, or Ronaldinho. Tan them in a plan. A religion make us division. Them want shell down division. Dead separate on the concrete. RCP sound. Check.
It's Lexo, baby.
You know the thing going on RCP. Louis V, Gucci, Armani, me charge a Bugatti, me roll in the party. Me am like a Giardi and prang with the 40. Me thump like Muhammad, the Yali, a zombie, me fresh. Like a new pair Barbie, me sipping Bacardi, but just in Bulgari. They jump in the yardy, they master the rowdy. Me swag ya, kick off the face like karate. Roll out, Rolex with the black diamond. Girl a scream and a ball and a flock eye man. Money tall to the sky, so me look on the globe and I say me want that island. Push when me smoke, bust na me head, me higher than Blue Mountain Top Island. No eagle for stuff up me brain, crush up me brain. When me drop on the ground, my damn, strap to the T. Now me the yoga chicks, Las Vegas with some soca chicks. Step in the casino, mosquito life is a gamble, yo. You better cherish your poker chips, ace a spade campaign, no joke of this. High grade me a smoke a bit, me have girl from Brazil, Puerto Rico, while them girl local, I with them some joker pricks. Alright then, roll out on the red carpet, paparazzi line on the red carpet. Them see the back come out, me no step off yet, girl drop down and catch sharp bread. RCP have amps and future bricks, speaker call the sound, watch it, me link up Eddie Frass and link rude boy, fit any sound boy, we a make watch it, tell them, hey, diamond with the fat, every goal, me a roll with the thing, we a knock every skull, we a galleys from birth, one punchline, me whisper, and me like they be all, we get gal easy, it's not difficult, me can't believe them style that very all, real outdated mine is like a iPhone 6 and them is like a Blackberry ball, tell them say, we not adulterate, lyrics and patterns start cultivate, up to date, me style well ultimate, tune stuck in your head like sulfur 8, and we have the highest conquer blaze, and we have the fancy man jump and race, and we have the big tune pumping straight, call beat down fence from overgate, when me step in at the club, me so some boy want class, some DJ punk a bait, when me grab microphone and the bunks afraid, me dub dash where your food make your lunch away, some we make lightning flash and thunder rain, we mad and dangerous like ulcer pain, you knock out like we King Kong thumper ape, yo RCP, yo, lyrical assassin, dip on the rhythm, there's no farm enough competition, that's living melody addition, when enough ammunition, creating collision, UFO tradition, fly magic carpet like we name Aladdin, the ganja we off and up off like a dragon, and gala imagine the cabin, this stabbing to all the stage show, get boss up like a cannon, you see a show Dan Gio a cut through, like it seems a flu when you at you, phenomenal entertainment that's true, mystical performance and natural, motion to 20 root bus route, RCP dub them a chop through, RCP sound them a pass through, I shall the show yo, Eddie Frass, RCP you don't know, you mean a man DJ Rude Boy. RCP sound. Vice of the one named Dan Gio representing for the big one mighty RCP sound, real authentic L6 well stitch, and the jump and sound Texas sound bear 6'6" on the ground. Show down, come now, boom. Dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. Anytime RCP play sound boy deadly dump on them back. Boom, dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. All the ears tell me some man say fi bring the body back. Dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. Sound dead get out dark skin bun like Rosa. Dub in a bag anytime RCP attack. All the ears somebody call no ambulance. Cause sound a dead. Them never know say Eddie Frass can war so. One and half fi play the dub, the next one a go scare yo. We never run out of dub so the next one a arm yo. Mash up jump and sound and bun down them sirato. Hey boy, we not fi have no transport. Fi make it a the clash Antonio win a damn ghost. Then keep your nine and make your family a yam goat. So anytime you see rude boy them with the transport, you better know. Dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. Anytime I see people place on board then lead up on their back to the friend them. Dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. Call the ears tell Mr. Madden say fi bring the body back. Dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. Sound dead get out dark skin bun like Rosa. Ha, dub in a bag anytime RCP attack. Call the ears somebody call no ambulance. They better cut like appendix with surgical. Double kick like 30 cal. Them scream out like a flirty gal. Kill them in the one rakuda analog or virtual. Double select up making a dirty fell. Anything or anything. Double clutch women itching them double where we bossy clat and sing sweeter than Benny King. Chop him like a jelly limb. Doctor could the medicing. Somebody dead and decomposing at the cave for the Reddy King. Hey, jump and dub in a bag we full of dub up in a bag. Yeah, hold on up. Don't start the rhythm yet you know, Eddie Frass. Me have to represent the college. Kingston College, that a me schooler. 40s got the rest of the red don't contest the ruler. If you feel the brave will fall and always heal you with a fool. Come like a be illusion, it's up in a your medulla. Who a cast them when them a baby in a soda? Come and one of them a freezer till me put them in a cooler. Alright, since Dragon Ball see you a studying at the school. A man a fly like Piccolo when time me boss me margin booyah. 40s, he coming like you never notice. From 7th grade up here rough youth we roll with. Militant from birth now when we grow big. Let me tell them about 40s. Boy, man we bust it on trophies. Annually we collect the trophies. Power with the Kirkis and rap 40s. Real story you know. RCP over Melbourne, 7 Francis. Instead fi do me schoolwork, I drum me start fi beat. Influenced by cash money mixes, I copy dually. Science subject me start fi pre, but physics that I know fi me. Then me repeat, have I say Bolo B, me say blood clean. Me still a par with the elite. Veteran Jervis Nookie, Pepper Profit and Rashid. Purpose skunk you know we do it. Almighty 40s. then them control them chat. No get it twisted just because me grow me locks. Hotter, war effective every day me roll the apps. Fully place a star, we make a zodiac. If you this Eddie buck up in a Corey box, that's how you a shake. Ship me like a leaf, you won't relax. Then you do my crap, hold me like a Tina Tory shop. Yes, a joke of that. Let me tell you about 40s. You hear me as an RCP? Some son boy want come this RCP through where I tried from humble beginning. This man like DJ, Rude Boy, Eddie Frass underground, them believe in. Dubplate full them up from ground to the ceiling. Crushingz, vice the real identical situation. Dan Gio presenting for the big bad mighty RCP sound. Even the man when I laugh, it's son boy. Rhythm check. Yo, DJ Eddie Frass, boy, you call the Paul Bearer for me, you know. Cause you know, say, I dead boy dead, you know. Good now, tell them not ram pudding nothing from the West Indies. If you think about just put your chest in this. Them a brand new machine and if I invest in this. The play connect and make you rest in peace. With Jama Gra, we are the best in squeeze. Keep a extra one just in case the next thing breeze. My double sting boy like persistent days. A funeral day black jacket long sleeve. When the plater connect. The plater connect. Everything copper said the plater like half a bread. Copper and Sergeant Fred will make a disaster step. Beer sound boy in a the land and Fred. When the war get ugly like iguana neck. Come now, 3 card man a try pop off on deck. They tall push broom like where Osama make. We make so na jump fence and a jump off a step. A so na run fast when Rude Boy them still it. The plater connect. The plater connect tell the friend them. The plater connect. The plater connect. Come now, them never know say we are bad man sound. We kill a sound and left them we be a scalp and bound. A reload and steer sure link up be sure. When we bust it up it coming like a bam ground. They never know say RCP a real bad man sound. We no fight karate like no Hong Kong clown. Reload and steer sure over be sure. We bust it up it coming like a bam The plater connect. The plater connect tell the friend them. The plater connect. Ease and roll in the dance and meditate. Just cooperate and keep a rolling through the gate. Vice of the one named real authentic is Dan Gio. RCP Eddie Frass, boom. Well, here's a story by Gio Fanny the down. December 29, 1990, yeah, when me born. With a headphone in my head and a microphone in me on. And every Saturday midday at the church at Rallington. Yo, big up RCP sound, real champion. Eddie Frass and DJ Rude Boy, yes, them on the down. The higher set a grade away, the higher puff pan. Police can come see the natty dread and one handcuff and come now. 2001 over KC, where me land. They saw me no Giovanna, me hygiene and veteran. And every lunchtime we a gamble and a better grand. Them on a DJ, then man a bus blank and I'm the dead slap. Come, I said if I saw we run the reggae session. Teacher complaining in a class, so we a cause we eruption. Me father here and give me couple bucks, me have to run. Man defiant and stubborn, still a DJ, me not got done. Boom, taxi, the historical taxi. I'm from them times till no man a DJ and get a scotch free. Taxi, the historical taxi. Me sing the circle pon the rhythm easy and relax. Tree, taxi, the massive if you watch. Real lyrics no for that money in the lottery. Exactly, taxi from them time till now. Hey, RCP come now. When this a G up on the microphone stand. He happy and your love he goes up pam. RCP sound, yes, the venue off the ram. Easy Eddie Frass and DJ Rude Boy are the down. Hey, Cycle Jamax and me Virgin Tristan. Me say the chain pan we neck a diamond and crystal. Platinum Rolex watch we use for wristband. Sound boy don't run in, we never left the pistol. Ratatam and reggae jam we face step on the post. Girl a whisper on me ears, I said they want get closer. Girl from Germany and France and girl from Croatia. And me bust it up like CBD and them with the Ulster. Come now, taxi, the historical taxi. And from them times no man a DJ and get a scotch free. Taxi, the historical taxi. Me sing the circle pon the rhythm easy and relax. Ace, taxi, the massive if you watch. Me lyrics no for that money in the lottery. Exactly, taxi, RCP taxi. We are, hey, watch out man, circle. Yes man. Now if you want to connect with Dan Gio, just go up on all social media platforms, type in Dan Gio Music, DANGIOMUSIC. You know what one? She link on Facebook and me a star. Through me style and pattern unique, we know that I'm a dar. So me make a mistake and reply and say me a go par. She chat the home address and the license plate on me car. She say Eddie, if we can get to supply a war. Look how me push your ginger cushy, make it go far. Every day pan repeat me and listen nutrition facts. Make sure you have peanut and spirulina in your back. Jano, Woman I said the Rasta man well sweet like cereal. So many girls over the world want the natty on them social media. Ah boy, she want it slow then speedy, all I search Wikipedia. So many girls over the world want the natty on them social media. Eddie Frass RCP, alright then. On Instagram she all attack me. I know much she love the Elsie's clocks and the mesh marine and Gansy. Spurlina put in the blender with a rich mash number ready for go stamp it. Strictly the cabinet, stab it, the natty don't in on the ramping. She think she feet about my feet, thinking about my physical. Diamond on my neck shine bright like the belt of a Ryan Big Deeper. One touch she explode like transmitter. Limp and Snapchat and Twitter. She want it daily and weekly. Every day she retweet me, alright. But now WhatsApp status me see more than 21 picture with me up on it. We're emoji reminiscing of me and I the down in the tropics. She say, me love it like with the missiles like a Rabbi and guitarist switching and spit. Make me catty wake me up early in the morning. Whoa, hey! And them I said the natty well sweet like cereal. So many girls over the world want RCP social media. Ah boy, she want it slow then speedy, all I search Wikipedia. And so many girls over the world want the natty on them social media. Crushingz, voice of the real authentic Elsich Welsh Dan Gio presenting for the big bad mighty RCP sound. Man called DJ Eddie Frass and the big bad mighty DJ Rude Boy. Real ragamuffin action, no bluffing them for no such chicken pressing. Send jump and sound down them at the resting. Boy, in them coffin. Eddie Frass, I want you call bright light for me. Every now and then. We kill jump on with the dubplate with no skin teeth like Colgate. Your brain fly like tollgate from you. This RCP, you're dead, boy. It should be this champion bound. Who hear me? All of them jump on the fury. Them can't run, come near me. Double rip skin and teary. Brain fly like Pichieri. You're dead, boy. It should be this champion bound. Rude boy, that one a name M1 grand. Them ends we ain't up on fi bury them like rent I am. Dubplate bust like 10 dragon. The walk it out the tension strong. We clap 10 out of the Mach 10 when we get from St. and Jam. Riggedy watchy the war ready now your far shot a slam. Boom, pose up in the land. We full them a can them a dead man. I from me day me ban. Eddie Frass a champion. Kill jump and we don't care where you come from. RCP on the microphone stand and say we kill son boy with the dubplate with no skin teeth like Colgate. Your brain fly like tollgate from you. This Eddie Frass you're dead boy. It should be this champion bound. All of them jump on the fury. Them can't run, come near me. Double rip skin and teary. Brain fly like Pichieri. You're dead. You're rude boy, where them a run go? Call the Palmyra. Let me know, no matter where the son boy try, me say me cannot satisfy. That is why double streaming at them head like Spotify. Maximize me appetite, me rap it neat and dandified. When them dubplate a collide, they better bust like dynamite. Certified and classified, we are the best sound advertised from Peter Touch to legalize it. It's a really light, we see them head a light up in the morning. We don't really care who disagree. Eddie Frass a murder some jump and we kill jump and with the dubplate, we no skin teeth like Colgate. Them brain fly like tollgate from them this rude boy, them dead now. I dubplating and them yeah. Son boy dead. All of them jump on the fury. Them can't run, come near me. Me double rip skin and teary. Brain fly like a cherry. Them fi know say we are the sound killer. Every man real authentic, the bomber clot. So many girls are talk about Eddie Frass a champion. So many girls requesting rude boy. Empress style. We are the stamina that the boss like a caliber shotty. And the stamina me a make gala follow me body. The stamina me a make the examiner happy. Gala tell me say me a them embassy that ya kick. Stamina that the boss like a caliber shotty. Call a loop on this side mix up the yam with the hockey. I tell loose me no say snag I'm got it. 9 months later baby a rapping and happy. Y'all come circle the natty Congo. We climb the timber tree because me got the lumber. Y'all a wine in sequence and that she done so. And I say Eddie him sweet like a blacky mango. We make Baggy a fly like Iraqi chankro. She link up Eddie Frass so him slap the nanko. She a sing out like Jackie Ivancho. When me done she a fi tell me thank you. Hey, we are the stamina that the boss like a caliber shotty. And the stamina me a make girl a follow me body. The stamina me a make the examiner happy. Girl a tell Eddie him a the embassy that Jackie kick. Stamina that the boss like a caliber shotty. Call a loop on this side mix up the yam with the hockey. I tell loose me no say snag I'm got it. Eddie Frass tell her say, well in a circle me a cruise. So say every layer when me put in on me roads. Me cool down me feuds with some Ribena juice. Me can't say me sick and give me woman excuse. You must say mad, you must say thing think say me fool. So I stop believe, search me yard, me recruit. But see the Medina and the one known the roads per Lina. Me need yes figure get in the mood. Sativa the healer, me body start move. I strictly cabin stabbing and I contribute. We make girl let her spin like the Crash Bandicoot. We make Rasta gal sing Christian tune. But Jesus Christ, my Lord and my Savior, wait no still I see who you feel pray to. Early in the morning from my and I wake up. Look I've been stabbing and me I disturb me neighbor. Elsich, Welsich from Portmore, Jamaica. Enough of them I wonder how I and I stay. Some rougher than Tyson and Rodok Razor. In come Dan Gio with the new wire waser. From I and I minor, I am major. Sperm wheel in the arm but the smooth sailor. Enough of them I wonder how I and I stay. So simply because me tune into how when me put in on me blender, how when me fling in on me, how when me put in on me blender, how when me put in on me blender. Come now, from January to December, I tell you say right for me agenda. Come, how when me put in on me blender, how when me fling in my blender. More fire for Rome, Rasta to the bone. Vice of the one named Dan Gio, hear me no RCP son. Eddie Frass wood boy, the fire never stop burn. Boss Romed, hey. Soldiers marching on to Zion in a red, green and gold. Marching, 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 marching our own. Hey. Soldiers marching on to Zion in a red, green and gold. Marching, 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 marching on. Eddie Frass we just up in a camouflage, eradicating all the Babylonian plans to sabotage. Jamax and I'm a Raj, launch out a cannonball. Dismantle every camp and them crumble in avalanche. Educated full ton idiot turn in the Amazon. Have to retreat anytime we will like David Radigan. Babylon a animal, a mosquito a cannibal. Feed it on the blood of the juvenile to corrupt Jalan. Them get free overstand, we militant and strong. While on the battlefield and fasting like the Ramadan. X amount of thing we have is sing sweeter than Shaka Khan. And the gorilla love the banana, we call it Lakatan. Rastaman recruiting all just soldiers from the motherland. Ethiopia, Sudan, Nigeria to Samarkand. Christopher Columbus, Henry Morgan and Jack Sparrow clan can overcome Japan. Yeah, hey. Soldiers marching on to Zion in a red, green and gold. Marching, 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 marching overboard. Hey. Soldiers marching on to Zion in a red, green and gold. Marching, 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 marching overboard. Hey, Rastaman a lead the troops. Holy for fire we produce. Scary than Freddy and Jason, Chucky the bride and vehicle juice. And Babylon issue the crack, the cocaine. And then enough niggle youth. Stick it in your vein and turn your in a feeble coot. Instead for care and feed the youth and brutalize and steal the truth. From revelation you can see the truth, reveal the roots. Be careful cause Babylon a real. Conversating with the devil while the contract sign and seal, yeah. Red, green and gold. Forever, Rastafari. Aliyah, Selassie the first. Sure. Selassie. Eddie Frass. Reggae meets hip-hop. You don't know the thing setting up. Yeah. Next track. Da 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 yeah. The streets them get so cold, Lord. Fighting us for so long. Gave us lies to hold on. Hold on, yeah. Man, we take your tree, man, we take your 3 pints. Man, we take your tree, man, we take your 3 pints. In a life you have to militant and be wise. Eddie tell them reality in a real life. Man, we take your tree, man, we take your 3 pints. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. The media distract you to make you feel right. And as a quintet dead. Early morning man a roll with a yan seed. Them stubborn and them so defiant is it. Underground them left your soul fi flying. Man we take your 3 pints like Kobe Bryant you see it. You think a joke man a walk with steel. Not even Shaquille coulda won on Hill for real. The 5G radiate high speed. A virus in your body not take them vaccine car. Man we take your 3, man we take your 3 pints. Man we take your 3, man we take your 3 pints. In a life you have to militant and be wise. Eddie tell them reality in a real life. Man we take your 3, man we take your 3 pints. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. The media a distract you fi make you feel right. And as you quint you dead. Stock market crash, the man exceed supply. More than 5G for your piece of pie. And the same 5G them use tea for life. For intoxicate your lungs, you can't sleep at night. You see it? This are the reason you're wheezing, can't even breathing. Radiation make your immune system weakening. At the weekend approximate them vaccinate you. Out of the matrix we have to work. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. In a life you have a militant and be wise. Rude boy give them reality in a real life. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. The 5G radiate high speed. Virus in your body, not take them vaccine, yeah. The system fight us so long. Gave us lives to hold on. Gave us lives to hold on. Alright, yeah. The system fight us so long. Gave us lives to hold on. RCP. Oh, come on, yeah. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. Man, we take your 3, man, we take your 3 pints. In a life you have a militant and be wise. Eddie give them reality in a real life. In a real life. Yeah. Question. Edge the government, Mr. Parliament. Tell me where's the supplement to provide a betterment. Me digging in my pocket and I couldn't find a cent for buy a pound of sugar for boil some rosemary or some peppermint. Me tell them, every time I still the same thing, yes, I that me notice. Them treat the ghetto use like garbage and some rat cockroaches. I'm blacker than loaded and feeling no place, tell me know what is the motive. They could have devoted day or night, they want a lot the trophy. Inflation rising every time, yes, I that me notice. Them intertwine the youths in crime just like a lock with rope twist. And there's no more love in the street, it's like them stop from focus. It's like we're blind, them have we mind and there's some strong hypnosis. Not sound the alarm, they use the dance with pies in the pot of roses. People out and play, they use their mind just like a crop with locusts. Well, not even Moses could have saved the evil men prognosis. My papa they told us if we were a ferocious officer Otis. Inflation rising every time, yes, I that me notice. And as the quinta conspiracy, them slap where you're closest. Friend of your relative, a chicken negative, them knock it who you roll with. It could have devoted now. Me have no 95, cause the contract with me, they pan get seized now. I'm a youth one feeding, that are the reason me grab up the steel, yo. But you think it nice for no eat me the night so your lips start crack and peel. Only thing me eat last week is a tin of sardine and ton meal. That the device for youth we qualify with CXC and college degree. What the commission beat with JPSB to still we can manage a fee. Only profit me see, are the one from the government family tree. When the knowledge reveal, it evident Babylon savage for real. Them implement control method for religion division. Supporting war and issuing guns in a them division. Weapons of destruction, nuclear explosive ammunition. Evil commission with sly and sinister competition. Not just no PNP, no GLP, no politician. Then depreciating the value of the dollar with them what decision. Economic growth is falling like a rock partition. Them really lack division. I'm asking what's the mission? Cause every time I see the same thing, yes, I that me notice. Them treat the ghetto use like garbage and some rat cockroaches. I'm black and I'm loaded and feeling no place, let me know what is the motive. They could have devoted day and night, they won't unlock the trophy. Inflation rising every time, yes, I that me notice. Them intertwine the youths in crime just like a lock with rope twist. And there's no more love in the street, it's like them stop from focus. Like we blind, them have we mind and have some strong hypnosis. Now sound the alarm, they using the dance, they pull out the pot of roses. People out and plague, they use their mind just like a crop with locusts. But not even Moses could have saved the evil men prognosis. My papa they told us if we were a ferocious officer Otis. Inflation rising every time, yes, I that me notice. And as the quinta conspiracy, them slap for your closest. Friend of your relative, as chicken negative, them knock it who you roll with. They could have devoted now, yeah. If the plant seeds of destruction, it will grow infested. To the point it force electric talks of negativity like a stove connected to the flame. Is a shame Babylon show pathetic decisions to depreciate the value of the dollar. The products are gross domestic. Yeah. Reggae meets hip-hop, RCP.
Dan Gio.
Yeah, I did, bro.
Me there, man, I go on, dub them, I go on, I pray.
You know, dub them, I go on, good nice studio, me there right now, I go and fix the mixtape, you know, you see me?
Yeah, man, a full time, it's in a road, man, we there, anticipate and I wait for it, you know, the chop go.
Crushingz, yo, the Frass don't say another, they don't know, say I'm a brother from another mother. DJ Rude Boy, what's buzzing? Yeah, my bloodline come like my cousin. You don't know to represent freestyle exclusive RCP style, wicked and wild and versatile, see? Yeah! Hip-hop style, you don't know the things that represent for all of the girls then. RCP, first I hear this pan, you know. Hey, my friend, more you fling it on the bed, me separate it on the leg while me sink it like Titanic, you vibrate and you pop the bed. That's up me up, bend up just like the nook and yes, pan and the greg. When foot up on the dress and next up on the shoulder, catch it like Eddie run the jislappy red. Also bad, come like she never hear the talk when Mr. Wacky said, coulda slim as a flat up head, Christian Natty dread. Already type of gal, lady not cure, that's why you full of pure gal. Ever then here gal, rotate on the baseline and this near gal. Dark skin clear gal, stick shift steer gal. And if a gal a itch Eddie, him never worry cause him ever have a spear gal. Round and square gal, we baptize and take way past a Blair gal. Rude boy full of beer gal, ever then here gal. And if the cannon bus we have a spear gal. She say Eddie him full of bunch of lyrics. Tell me say your man, bunch of gimmicks. Where name? She tell me say the punk a Philip. Tell me a star like Jordan and Jeremy. We do the 3 pints and slam dunk ya for Knicks. Say she want to study black mamba physics. Say the front end are a clump ya for fix. Coulda hand card Benz Punani and Honda Civics. Rude boy full of beer gal, ever then near gal. Rotate pan the baseline and this near gal. Dark skin all on RCP. What the girl am I say? Them a say Eddie ya the stamina daddy boss like a caliber shotty. And the stamina me a make gala follow in body. The stamina daddy make the examiner happy. Gala tell we say we are them embassy that ya kiki. Stamina daddy boss like a caliber shotty. Call a loop on the side mix up the yam with the aki. Oh yeah, I tell you say no say rude boy him got it. 9 months later baby ya well in a circle with a cruise. So say people like ya when me put in the roads. Me cool down the fuse with some Ribena juice. Eddie can't say him sick and give woman excuse. You must say my they must think say Eddie fool. So what's up, leave, search me yard, me recruit. Basida, Medina, the one on the roads. Pumpkin seed we need, figure getting on the mood. Alright then, me give her something if you remember. In a gully she a chuck like Fender. When me put the Irish machine in the blender. Spirulina number one contender. Oh yeah, from January to December. Me a give her something if you remember. I'm from chilling crude boy, yes a danger. Cause him have 3 round in the chamber. Tell her say, hey, to love you is my word. The best I ever heard. The mama donkey na your nookie like my name is Larry Bird. Feel the memorandum like an accident occurred. Want to your man, she say her boyfriend was a nerd. So every day she pre, say she want to roll with me. Like no A, no left to B, and like gonna be no left to C. She nah, like no Listerine. And every day she want to roll with RCP, is it? Alright, me say your nookie fat like when I toast. Well, me have to buy every boost in the hostel. Me lock you down, don't remand and me close. Bella from you, nookie clean, make sure say it don't smell so jiggle. Me balls make it ring like a doorbell. She broke it down on the ground, make the floor shell. And from she link up and know say it gon' shell. Hear me tell us in the RCP, yo. Girl, make me feel up it titty fast. Grab the front, spank you and then me rip it jazz. Long marathon, be a rump on the race. No time you can't hear say biggie the kiki fast. Foot pan dresser balance in the kiki vast. Go on your head, what you say, a tricky tax. Long bushwalker me a mope on the land. This mancle front yard, pop out and clip it. Or from she remember, me a give her something for remember. In a gully she a chuck like Fender. Spirulina number one contender. Oh yes, from January to December. Or from she link Eddie Frass, yes a danger. Him have 12 round in the chamber. Ease out. Eddie Frass, I don't know the things that said. Dan Gio presented. Road Boy. Exclusive. Yeah. Yeah, I know so much miscall me to get. Betrayed unfortunate that me and my girl got in an argument. Depression made it hard to vent in this so proper tournament. Disintegrating all my body mass when I was corpulent. To beautify my soul with a compassionate ornament. Now it feels like explosive armament by army men. True love's so hard for end, no false pretension. Brought down my heart defense. Searching for your love, can't find the coordinates, it all depends. If I wasn't so egotistic, would have been living lovely by the natural mystics. Attributes it possess, describes royalty characteristics. Humbly waiting on your phone call, trying to be optimistic. Impossible to cooperate, she made me heart crumble like crispets. Anytime she goes away, loneliness creeps on my soul. I die no baby girl, please let me know. How best can I assist to make this love flourish? Girl, without you in my life, my arteries are malnourished. Like the Beatles without the East, Jimi Hendrix without the Knicks, Gladys Knight without the Pips, Patrick Ewing without the Knicks. So I reminisce on the best medicine, so lovely. Girl, I am reminiscing on the best medicine. I'm lonely. Baby girl, you know how hard it is when true love departure from your heart and arteries torture your mind and tarnish it. Not even Nintendo with more than 64 cartridges to a happy kid could compare. Oh, my love, your girl, it's hard to live without you. This ain't the way it ought to be. Still she light a match and burn on all bridges. Run away like ostriches. We up where the partridge live. Don't care about the mortgage of the apartment compartment. Girl, you really left my heart dented. My love was authentic. Still she walked away now. Every time she goes away like Bill Withers. Depression and frustration make me slim quicker. The less me eat, the more me smoke herbs and drink liquor. Empress divine and you enlighten the king picture. Now I'm reminiscing and the cab is stabbing when I sink it rough. You make my mind erupt. Whoa, whoa. Loneliness creeps on my soul. I die no baby girl, please let me know. Loneliness creeps on my soul. I'm dying now, baby girl, please let me know. Impossible to cooperate, she made me heart crumble like crispets. Every time she goes away, she's gone, yeah. Me heart a race like when the clock the drum, the hot grab us before me love me flying out the sky me glide. Road boy I tell me sell some of the sense of me now. Me Jam Max Chaos and size 10 familiar. From a weed me greedy, me no left none for root boy or Eddire. Cause the spliff shot like marble with the bembe ina. Wrap it up, yes, that are the party spliff. Knock out on the ground, my face kick off like a karate kick. Lungs are flatter a battle like me caught the fits. Blast are dead with love from night till daylight. Me always have my chase, my spliff off his daylight. Strictly high grade cannabis makes me feel right. Eddie always smoke the trees and fly. Easy. Vice of the real authentic LC12 stage representing. You don't know RCP sound. You don't know this is Reggae meets Hip-Hop Mixtape scene. Hope you enjoy the listening experience. Yeah, Dan Gio expressing his versatility. You know? Yeah man, real authentic. Settle!